I'm going to teach you a card trick that'll work even if you don't know magic. You can do it over and over again and fool yourself and your friends. Let's get into it. This trick doesn't even need an entire deck of cards. I can actually set aside almost half the deck. Now I'm going to take 3 cards, these are the queens, and these queens are going to predict the future. All I have to do is count down from 7, and anytime a card matches the number I'm counting down from, then I stop and move on to the next. So that's 7, 6, there we go. So we'll start over here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know what? We're just going to place 1 card down as a 0. Here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4. We stop right there. These queens right here have predicted the number of cards that I'm going to end up with in my hand. That's 6 and 4 is 10. And wouldn't you know it, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards. The best part is I can do this over and over again. I can even hand these cards to a spectator and they can shuffle these cards to their heart content. We'll do the same thing. These queens will predict the future. That is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 as it is. That is 7, 6. There we go. 6. And that is 7, 6, 5. There we go. So that is 5 and 6 is 11 plus 1 is 12. And that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards. I'm Eric Tate from Penguin Magic, and I am so excited to teach you this trick. You don't need to do any sleight of hand. You don't need a special deck of cards. In fact, you don't even need a complete deck. Do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified when we put up more free tricks like this. And if you really like this effect and maybe want to learn some other future telling or prediction tricks, head on over to penguinmagic.com and check out past, present, future. It has a similar feel to this, but a trick that's even more fooling and more baffling for your friends. I'm going to teach you how to do this trick with the 3 queens right now. All you have to do is get an ordinary deck of cards. You're going to take out 3 queens. It doesn't matter which ones. I like to use 2 red queens and a black queen with the black queen in the center. The other cards you're going to remove for the deck are all of the ace through 6s. So that is the ace through 6 of diamonds, the ace through 6 of hearts, the ace through 6 of clubs, and the ace through 6 of spades. The rest of the cards are not needed. And as a matter of fact, when I started this trick, I set all of these cards up with the 3 queens on the top, and then I had a joker right here on the bottom, so it looks like it's a randomly shuffled deck, but I have this prepared stack on top so that I can go immediately into the trick. I'll say, look, when I get to that joker, I take everything above the joker and put it inside the box, close that up and set it aside. I'm going to turn over these 3 queens, and all you need to know is you start dealing these cards. These can be shuffled up to your heart's content as long as we have those cards right there. They can be shuffled any way you want, whether it's an overhand shuffle, a casino shuffle, or any other kind of crazy shuffle you want. All you have to know is that you start counting from 7 and down. If ever the number you say and the value of the card matches, you stop dealing and move on to the next one. If you get all the way to 1, you deal an additional card face down to represent a 0. And the trick just works by math. Here we go. That is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now in this case, the ace and the 1 match, so we're going to leave that as a prediction. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So I said 3 at the same time the 3 came up. I stopped there. And that is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you notice we went all the way through here, so I'm going to do an additional card face down. And the math just works out. All I do is add up the numbers that I can see, in this case 3 and 1, and this is 0. That makes it 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. All you have to do to reset is leave the queens on the table, take these cards, place them face down. Your audience can give these as much of a shuffle as they want. They can shuffle it and cut it to their heart's content, and it works again. I'll walk you through it one more time, just so we know that we can see it works. That is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got lucky with an ace there. 7, 6, 5, stop at the 5. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deal an additional 1 face down, and again, 5 and 1 is 6, so that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The trick just works by itself. You don't need to know any complicated mathematical equations or even any difficult sleight of hand, but you can start performing this immediately for your friends. You can even come up with a story saying that the queens are doing some sort of fortune telling, anything you want to entertain your friends. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you next time.